Hey! What's up friends? Ayan naman kuliwat. And now we're going to learn about prime and composite numbers. Okay, so ari ko subong sagwa sang balay para lain naman ng setting. And let's start by discussing prime numbers. Prime numbers are positive integers greater than 1 that have exactly two distinct positive divisors, 1 and itself. Kalawig, pero it has a very simple meaning. Positive integers. When you say positive integers, we mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Those are positive. However, when you say prime numbers, they have to be greater than 1. So we start with 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Yes, Maki. That have exactly two distinct positive divisors. So now, it's even more defined that it needs to have two distinct positive divisors. 1 and itself. Meaning, there are only two numbers, sorry British people, that can divide this prime number, 1 and itself. Kagaw, pis. For example, 2 is an example of a prime number because the only two divisors that are positive that can divide 2 are 1 and itself. Meaning, 2 can be divided by 1. So, 2 divided by 1 equals 2. It's divisible. 2 can also be divided by 2 without remainder, and the answer would be 1. So meaning, it can be divided by 1 and 2. Are there other numbers that can divide 2 wherein it will not have a remainder? No. That's why 2 is considered the smallest prime number. It's also the smallest and only even prime number. Another example of a prime number would be 3. Okay, so 3 is also a prime number because its factors, or the things that you multiply in order to get 3, also its divisors are 1 and itself. 1 and 3 lang gina makadivide sa 3. So 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, another example of a prime number is 5. 5 can be divided by 1 and can also be divided by 5. So there are only two numbers that can divide 5 without remainder. Divisors. Okay, so those are prime numbers. Now let's go sa composite numbers. Okay, so now we will proceed to composite numbers. Composite numbers are positive integers greater than 1 that have positive divisors other than 1 and itself. Usually, ang mga composite numbers, almost all even numbers are composite because they are divisible by 2. For example, ang 4, you can divide that by 1. 4 divided by 1, that's equal to 4. You can also divide that by 4 itself. So 4 divided by 4, that's equal to 1. Pero may ara pa gid sang isa na divisor nga makadivide sa 4 aside from 1 and itself. Ano na siya? That's 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So there is another positive divisor nga integer nga makadivide sa 4. Okay? So this is 2. Meaning, it's not anymore a prime number because there is another number that can divide it. So there are also a lot more composite numbers. An example of an odd composite number is 9. 9, ang iyang divisors. Okay, we can list them down. 1, itself, which is 9. It can also be divided by 3. So, ang 3 nga ni is the other positive divisor. So, 9 is not a prime number, it is a composite number because it has other positive divisors other than 1 in itself. Okay.